Hi everyone, welcome to today's Hack It Yourself. Before diving into the exciting world of smart homes, it's crucial to have a solid foundation. Your Wi-Fi network is the backbone of your smart space. All your smart devices rely on a stable and strong internet connection to function seamlessly. Imagine trying to control your smart lights with a spotty Wi-Fi signal. Not a fun experience. Start by assessing your current Wi-Fi coverage. Are there any dead zones in your home? You can easily extend your Wi-Fi range with affordable extenders or mesh systems. These devices boost your signal, ensuring all corners of your room are covered. Remember, smart devices rely on constant communication. A robust Wi-Fi network eliminates frustrating lag times and ensures your smart home operates smoothly. Invest in a good router and consider extenders if needed. Smart lighting is one of the easiest and most impactful ways to transform your space. Gone are the days of fumbling for light switches. With smart bulbs, you can control your lighting with your voice or a smartphone app. Start with a few budget-friendly smart bulbs from brands like Wyze or TP-Link. These bulbs offer a range of colors and brightness levels, allowing you to customize the ambiance of your room. Set schedules for your lights to turn on and off automatically, saving energy and adding convenience to your daily routine. You can even group multiple bulbs together and control them simultaneously with a single command. Imagine waking up to a gradually brightening light instead of a harsh alarm clock. That's the magic of smart lighting. Take control of your home's climate without breaking the bank with a smart thermostat. These clever devices learn your temperature preferences and adjust automatically, ensuring optimal comfort and energy savings. Many affordable smart thermostats are available, like the Google Nest thermostat. They offer features like remote control, allowing you to adjust the temperature from anywhere using your smartphone. Smart thermostats track your heating and cooling habits. They provide insights into your energy usage, helping you identify areas for potential savings. You'll be amazed at how such a small device can significantly impact your energy bills. Secure your haven. Affordable smart security solutions. Creating a safe and secure home environment is a top priority for everyone. Thankfully, you don't need to spend a fortune on expensive security systems. Affordable smart security options provide peace of mind without breaking your budget. Start with a smart security camera. Place it strategically to monitor entry points or areas with valuables. Many budget-friendly options offer motion detection, two-way audio, and even night vision capabilities. Enhance your security further with smart sensors for your doors and windows. These sensors alert you if any openings are detected, providing an extra layer of protection against intruders. Unleashing versatility. The power of smart plugs. Smart plugs are incredibly versatile devices that add a touch of magic to your ordinary appliances. By simply plugging a smart plug into a standard outlet, you can instantly transform lamps, fans, coffee makers, and more into smart devices. Control your connected appliances remotely using your smartphone or voice commands. Set schedules for your devices to turn on and off automatically. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee or coming home to a well-lit house, all thanks to the power of smart plugs. Smart plugs also offer energy monitoring capabilities. Track the energy consumption of your connected devices and identify potential areas for savings. It's a simple yet effective way to become more energy efficient in your daily life. Welcome to Budget-Friendly Decor Hacks. Transforming your space doesn't have to break the bank. Let's dive into some creative and affordable decor ideas. First up, DIY wall art. Use inexpensive materials like canvas, paint, and stencils to create unique pieces that reflect your personality. Next, thrift stores are your best friend. You can find hidden gems like vintage frames, vases, and even furniture at a fraction of the cost. Don't underestimate the power of textiles. Throw pillows, blankets, and rugs can instantly add color and texture to your room without a hefty price tag. Lastly, incorporate greenery. Plants not only purify the air but also bring life to any space. Opt for low-maintenance varieties if you're new to plant care. With these budget-friendly decor hacks, you can transform any room into a stylish and inviting space. Happy decorating! Now that you've set up your smart home, it's time to enjoy the benefits.
With just a few taps on your phone, you can control the lighting, temperature, and even your entertainment system.
Imagine coming home to a perfectly lit room and your favorite movie ready to play.
Voice assistants make it even easier to manage your smart devices. Just ask, and it's done.
Whether it's adjusting the blinds or setting the perfect ambiance, your smart home adapts to your needs.
Enjoy the convenience, comfort, and efficiency of your new smart space. Welcome to the future of living. Thank you for joining us on this journey to transform any room into a smart space on a budget. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your smart space transformations with us in the comments below.
Subscribe for more tips and tricks on creating your perfect smart home. See you in the next video.